Are people struggling to hear you during phone calls? Maybe your voice sounds distant, your recordings are unclear, or your videos contain no audio at all. In some cases, the microphone works during regular calls, but fails in a messaging, recording, camera, or video calling app. Before assuming the microphone is broken or paying for a repair, try these safe troubleshooting steps recommended by major smartphone manufacturers. The problem could be caused by an accidental mute, a blocked opening, an external audio device, incorrect permissions, a software issue, or even the network. The key is to test the phone in the correct order. This helps you avoid unnecessary resets, unsafe cleaning, and repairs you may not need. Start by making a regular phone call. Look at the microphone icon and confirm that you haven't accidentally muted yourself. Ask the other person whether your voice is clear, unusually quiet, distorted, or completely missing. This confirms whether the issue affects regular calls. Next, open voice recorder or voice memos. Record a short message, play it back, and listen carefully to the result. Check whether the recording has normal volume or contains muffled sound, crackling, distortion, background noise, or completely missing audio. Now record a short video using the rear camera. Speak normally while recording, and then play the video back to check its audio. Repeat the same test using the front camera. Comparing these recordings can help reveal whether the problem affects only certain recording functions. Smartphones can contain multiple microphones. Calls, voice recordings, and different camera modes may not always rely on exactly the same microphone. These tests help determine whether the problem affects every microphone function, one part of the phone, or only a specific app. Before we continue, subscribe to Next Gen Gadget Hub for more straightforward smartphone fixes, buying guides, and technology updates. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers, and your support would mean a lot. Now, let's continue with the next check. Remove the phone case, protective film, and any attached accessory. A poorly fitted case can accidentally cover one of the microphone openings. Depending on the smartphone, microphones may be located along the bottom edge, near the top, around the earpiece, or close to the cameras. Inspect these areas carefully. Check whether the case, dust, lint, protective material, or another object is blocking a microphone opening. After removing the case, make another recording. If the sound improves, the case, protective film, or attached accessory may have caused the problem. If you see debris around an opening, clean only the exterior using a clean, dry, soft brush or a soft lint-free cloth. Never push a pin, needle, SIM-eject tool, or another sharp object into a microphone hole. You could damage the microphone or protective mesh. Do not pour water, alcohol, or cleaning chemicals into the opening. Samsung also advises against using canned compressed air because it may cause damage. If the phone recently became wet, dry its exterior thoroughly with a clean, soft cloth and allow the device to air dry before testing it again. If an obstruction cannot be removed safely, do not force a tool into the phone. Contact qualified repair support instead. Next, temporarily turn off Bluetooth. Your phone may be using the microphone on earbuds, a headset, smartwatch, or car audio system. So you unplug wired, USB-C, or Lightning audio accessories as well. Then repeat the phone call and recording tests using only the phone. If the built-in microphone now works, the problem may be related to the connected accessory, its microphone, or the selected audio route. If the problem occurs in only one iPhone app, open Settings, select Privacy and Security, choose Microphone, and confirm that the app is enabled. On Android, open Settings, choose Apps, select the affected app, open Permissions, and allow microphone access. Menu names may vary by device. Some Android phones also have a system-wide microphone access control in Quick Settings or Privacy Controls. Make sure it has not been turned off. Close the affected app completely, open it again, and install any available update. Then test the microphone inside that app once more. If the microphone works everywhere except one updated app with the correct permission, contact that app's developer for additional support. Now restart the smartphone. Restarting can clear a temporary software process or audio routing problem that may be preventing normal microphone operation. After the phone turns back on, repeat the voice recorder, front camera, rear camera, and phone call tests to see whether the problem has disappeared. Check for system updates and install the latest compatible version available for your device. Update your calling, camera, recording, and messaging apps too. On supported Android phones, test the microphone in safe mode. Safe mode temporarily disables downloaded third-party apps while keeping the original system software available. If the microphone works in safe mode, a recently installed or updated app may be responsible. Remove recent apps one at a time and retest. If recordings and camera videos sound clear but cellular calls do not, weak reception, Wi-Fi calling, the carrier, or the calling app may be involved. A factory reset should not be your first solution because it erases data and settings. Back up everything before considering it. If the issue began after an impact or liquid exposure, every microphone test fails, or the problem remains after the appropriate troubleshooting. Contact the manufacturer, an authorized service provider, or another qualified repair professional. Do not open the phone or attempt an unsafe DIY microphone repair. Remember the safe order. Check mute, test different recording functions, remove the case and obstructions, clean the exterior safely, disconnect accessories, verify microphone permissions, restart the phone, install updates, and use safe mode where supported. Which step fixed the microphone on your smartphone? Share your result in the comments. If this guide helped you, give the video a like and subscribe to Next Gen Gadget Hub for more simple and reliable technology guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.